Okay, first, what we're wanting to do is to type FIBA or search for FIBA website on any browser, and then we need to click on FIBA basketball so that we can be redirected to the official website of FIBA basketball. Okay, so if we're going to scroll in the middle of the page under events, we can see here FIBA U17 Basketball World Cup 2024. Just try to scroll to the right until we find FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament for Riga, Latvia. Okay, now on the next page, we'll see here FIBA OQT 2024. And then just try to scroll to the right. And then on the fourth line, we'll finally see here the fan vote for TSOT MVP in OQT 2024 Latvia. So we'll just need to click on that, and then, okay, so we can finally see here the page where we can vote for our uh, favorite MVP. You'll also notice here that while I'm scrolling this page, the numbers are updating real time. We'll see here Justin Brownlee with around 1.5 million votes. It's updating real time, as you can see here, okay? So same with the other players, their votes are also updating real time. On the third nominee, we have Kai Soto, Kaiju. And I was able to count the number of nominees for the MVP for the FIBA OQT in Latvia, and there are a total of 12 candidates or nominees. Okay, so the next question is, how do we actually vote for our favorite player to be the MVP? Okay, so after we click on the round icon with the arrow pointing up, our votes will count. Okay, so you'll notice here the round icon changed from red to green. Okay, so my vote for Justin Brownlee is counted one vote. Now, the next question in my mind was, can I vote more than one player? So, I really have no idea. So, to know, I proactively also clicked on the icon for Kai Soto. And you'll notice here, I'm trying to get the view for both Kai Soto and Justin Brownlee, and it worked. So in my experience, I can actually vote more than one player to be an MVP for the FIBA OQT. Okay,